In this video, I will show you how to track email on a website. Hello everyone, I'm Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. First of all, we just connect our Google Tag Manager and our website. I have connect already our website or our Google Tag Manager ID. So we just go to Google Tag Manager and go to the variable section. Just click the category and just open this kind of links opens. Okay, and just submit it. And just go to the WordPress and just preview it. And look at that. Our website and our Google Tag Manager is already connected. Just go to the about sections and just click our email address. Okay, just click our email address. So it's already opened. Just cross that and go to the tag assistant and just look at that, the link click and check out this data layers and go to the variable sections. Check out for the variables, that click text and click URL. We just put down our click URLs and we just tag our click text URLs. So go to the Google Tag Manager and select new tags and just select the new, click the pen icons and go to the Google Analytics 4. So create it and just put down our measurement ID. So just go to our setting options and admin options and go to our data stream, just inside there and just copy it. Okay, and just paste here. Now we just write our event name. So just write email tracking. Okay, and just send the one parameters here, just email text or okay, the click text here. Okay, and just select the email text here. Okay, and just trigger it. We just click the plus icon, the pen icon, just click options and select the some link here and select the click URLs and just copy the mail tools and copy it and just paste here and just write our trigger name. Just email trigger. Okay, and just save it. Okay, the total process is okay, and just write our tag name. So GA4 email tag. Okay, and just save it. Now our total process is okay, and just submit it and preview it. Look at that, it's actually work or not. Just preview it. Okay, Look at that, our Google Tag Manager and our website is already connected. Just go to the about sections and just click the emails. This email is also open. Just cross and just go to the tag. Look at that, our Google Tag Manager. Look at that, our GA4 email tag is already fired here, and click the link click options. Go to the variables. Look at our total information is here already, and go to the analytics and go to the debug view. Just click the debug view. We see that our email track is already tracked here, and the click text here, my email address here, and the some information else. It is a simple process how to track your email and send data Google Analytics for. Is there any problem? You just contact me, link in the description. Thank you.